I've sold over 200,000 t-shirts, generating over $6.5 million in sales, selling print on demand over the last 4 years. But I never would have had any of this success if I had never started my first store. That's why in this video, I'm going to go over why right now is actually the best time to start your print-on-demand brand. By starting your print-on-demand business right now, you'll be able to take advantage of the growing print-on-demand market and position yourself ahead of the competition before Q4 begins. Now, before we get into why now is the best time to get into print-on-demand, you're gonna wanna stick around to the end because I've saved the most compelling reason why starting now will almost guarantee your sales success. But enough about that, let's get into it. I'm sure that you've heard someone say that
you need to start right now
because you will never feel ready, so just do it. Don't get me wrong, there's definitely a lot of truth to that. But I'm here to talk specifically about why right now in Q3 is the best time and the most optimal time to start a print-on-demand brand. And you can take it from me because I actually started my current print-on-demand store during Q3 in July of 2023, and these are my results. So what makes Q3 so optimal? Reason number one is holiday season preparation. Q3 is the perfect time to launch your print-on-demand brand as it allows you to build momentum and establish brand before the peak holiday shopping season in Q4. And I can attest to this. Having the time in August and September, I was able to fine-tune my designs, reevaluate my ad account, and then by October, November, December, those were our top 3 highest earning months over the last 12 months. And as you can see, it paid off. We did well over $100,000 in revenue each month. So if you're interested in making those kinds of sales during Q4, now is the perfect time to get started. But before we get into reason number 2, why Q3 is the best time to start your print-on-demand store, remember you want to stick around for the last reason because it is the driving factor to guaranteeing your first sales in Q4. Reason number 2 that right now is the best time to start your print-on-demand brand is that there is less competition. Many businesses focus heavily on Q4, meaning that Q3 often sees less competition in the market. By launching your print-on-demand brand now, you can establish your presence, attract early customers, and gain traction before the marketplace becomes crowded later in the year. This can also help with running your ads. During Q4, we are competing with thousands of brands to run our Facebook ads because Q4 is typically everybody's best time of the year. So people want to get their ads out. They want those sales coming in. Everybody knows everyone loves shopping during the holiday season. So we actually will end up paying more in order to advertise and for more people to see our stuff. So if you start your advertising in Q3, you can get a really good idea of what the market likes, how to add new designs to your site that are similar to the ones that you have in your current ads. So then by Q4, when we're spending a little bit more on ads, we've already got a built-out collection of solid designs that people are going to want to purchase from. So this is definitely a great time to really focus and fine-tune and come up with the best collection going into Q4. And finally, the most important reason why right now in Q3 is the best time to start your print-on-demand store is the time for testing and optimization. Starting in Q3 gives you ample time to test different product designs. You can gather valuable data and feedback from your ad account, allowing you to optimize your offerings and operations in time for the high-demand holiday season. This is kind of what I was just talking about. We know we are going to be competing with thousands of different brands come the holiday season. So if you start now, you can really get a handle on running the business, the day-to-day operations, and fine-tuning it so that when Q4 comes and those sales come pouring in, we are able to actually handle all of those sales coming in. So taking the time to test our designs, learn about the business, and really learn how to operate a print-on-demand business is going to make sure that our Q4 is absolutely successful. These 3 reasons are concrete evidence about why right now is the best time to get started in print on demand. If you're interested in getting started as soon as possible in Q3, then check out my Skool community linked in the description below, where we are teaching thousands about how to run successful print on demand businesses like the one I started last year. And if you're interested in seeing what happened after selling print on demand for a year, then you're going to want to check out this video here.